Welcome to this video, where we explore the timeless wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita verse by verse. Now, we will dive into the next verse, uncovering its deeper meaning and teachings. Dhrishtaketu Chekitana, Kashi Rajascha Viryavan, Purujit Kuntibhojascha Shaibya Narapungava. This translates as the mighty Dhrishtaketu, the valiant Chekitana, the powerful King of Kashi, the great warrior Purujit, Kuntibhoja, and Shaibya, the best among men. Now let's understand the Sanskrit verse, word by word. Dhrishtaketu means king of Chedi and an ally of the Pandavas. Chekitana means a Vrishni warrior and relative of Krishna. Kashiraj means the king of Kashi, a powerful ally. Viryavan means Purna valor, heroic. Purujit means a Kekaya prince and brother of Kuntibhoja. Kuntibhoja means Kunti's adoptive father and a strong ally. Shaibya means king of the Shibas, known for his righteousness. Narpungava means the best among men or bull among warriors. In the previous verse, Duryodhana listed mighty warriors on the Pandava side. Now in verse 5, he continues naming brave allies, each with a powerful legacy, further acknowledging the formidable strength of his opponents. Duryodhana acknowledges the Pandavas' widespread support from powerful kingdoms, Chedi, Kashi, Kekaya, etc. Before him stands a living tapestry of martial excellence, each thread representing a kingdom, a legacy, a sacred vow of allegiance. Dhrishtaketu of Chedi, whose loyalty burns brighter than the morning sun. Chekitana of the Yadava clan, his battle scars telling stories no bard could properly capture. The mighty King of Kashi, whose very presence on the battlefield shifts the tides of fortune. Kuntibhoja's was Kunti's adoptive father, showing family ties strengthening the Pandava alliance. Duryodhana names Purujit and Kuntibhoja, not merely allies, but family bound to the Pandavas through Kunti's bloodline. And Shaibya, the venerable Narapungava, whose wisdom is matched only by his lethal skill with the blade. Each name is a dagger to Duryodhana's confidence, each title a weight upon his soul. These are not mere soldiers to be counted and dismissed. They are Maharathis, warriors of such consummate skill that each could single-handedly turn the tide of battle. Men who have spent lifetimes honing their bodies into living weapons. But more terrifying than their individual prowess is what binds them together, that invisible web of loyalty, of shared purpose, of righteous conviction that makes their formation far greater than the sum of its legendary parts. In this moment, Duryodhana faces a truth as old as time itself, that kingdoms built on fear and ambition may gather armies, but only causes rooted in righteousness forge unbreakable bonds. These warriors before him don't merely fight for victory, they fight for the man beside them, for oaths sworn in firelight, for justice denied too long. This verse becomes more than a catalogue of enemies. It is a mirror held up to Duryodhana's deepest fears. For in naming these warriors, he inadvertently names everything his own forces lack, that sacred alchemy that transforms skilled fighters into something transcendent, into brothers in arms who would gladly die for one another. This verse isn't just a list. It reveals Duryodhana's awareness of leadership, strength, and lineage. It reflects how power doesn't lie in one or two individuals, but in collective unity and shared purpose. Each name he mentions represents not just physical might, but deep emotional ties to the Pandavas, friends, mentors, and relatives who will fight with heart, not just arms. Duryodhana, while intending to downplay his fears, is indirectly validating the righteousness and strength of his opponents. This verse reminds us of the power of unity, loyalty, and shared values. True strength isn't always about brute force. It lies in standing beside what is right, even in the face of destruction. Each warrior mentioned is a reminder that in our own lives, surrounding ourselves with wise, brave, and righteous allies is key to facing life's battles. Recognize your own circle of strength and honor those who fight beside you. The lesson echoes down through centuries to our own battles, in boardrooms, in personal struggles, in moments that test our very character. That true strength lies not in the might of your arm, but in the quality of those who stand with you, not in the fear you inspire, but in the love you earn. As we face our own Kurukshetras, may we be wise enough to build not just alliances, but brotherhoods worthy of legend. As we continue this journey through the Bhagavad Gita, let us remember, every verse is not just a lesson from the past, but a guide for the present and the future. Stay tuned as we unfold the divine wisdom, one verse at a time. Thank you for watching, and please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more such videos.